y'all? This your girl Erin, and today I am back with another unfiltered video. Today's video is gonna be my first video for Vlogmas. I'm starting on the second day, which is alright. I kind of tried to start yesterday, but I just wasn't feeling it, so we're just not gonna ever see that content. Yeah, but today I gotta go ahead and find some stuff for my Christmas tree in my house. So I need to decorate my house, and my Christmas tree needs some more decorations to be complete. Another thing that I did today is bought my baby all her outfits for Christmas that I like, you know, for her Christmas gifts. I'm not buying her any toys. I feel like everybody else gonna do that. I'm just buying her stuff that I know she needs because, you know, mama gonna hook you up regardless. And I be getting her toys and stuff anyway, you know, when I see it, I get it. So I'm just gonna let everybody else buy all those toys and stuff because she grow out of that stuff just as quick as she grow out of clothes. So I'm just gonna continue to buy what she needs. Yep, so we're gonna hop into this video and I'll see you when I'm shopping, because I'm shopping on a budget, by the way. What's up, y'all? This your girl Erin, and today we're gonna finish decorating my Christmas tree. Let's get it. So we got flowers like this. Got some of these. Got some ribbon. We already got ornaments on the tree, but I wanted some flowers too. Find them together like that and put them in there like that. Voila, hopefully it works. So, watch me decorate this tree. Hey, say hey. Say it's Christmas time. Say it's Christmas time. Let's get into it. Alea, what's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? What's wrong? I had to put her in her swing because she was sorry. Alea, what are you crying for? What are you crying for? Because you're not out and about destroying stuff, putting things in your mouth? I don't really like this for the Christmas tree itself, so I'm gonna try to do something with this ribbon, and I am so horrible with ribbon, so let's see how I do it. You just like take it all off. It ain't that much. What I do, just wrap the tree. Oh no, I'll be back. So I'm gonna just wrap this ribbon around this tree. be back when she stopped crying. I just have to add candy canes to the tree. But this is my tree. I think it look a little better. It's not as plain, huh? Oh, she said yeah. You like the tree? Oh, it's a winner then. It's a winner then. So this is me and Lele's Christmas tree. Finished product. Just gotta add the candy canes. So we're gonna add the candy canes, okay? But her daddy kept on asking, can we put some on the Christmas tree? So we did just that. And taking them out the box. You will not eat no candy canes, okay? Maybe on Christmas or something.
What night he ate?
No, one of them already broke. But these is called cold snacks. What's up, y'all? I just want to thank you again for watching this video. I hope that you really enjoyed this video of watching me like decorate the tree. It looked plain. Like the tree was so plain. It needed something. It was like, it looked alright with just ornaments and lights. But I'm like, it's not really screaming Merry Christmas to me yet. It's screaming more so of, I'm not taking pictures in front of my tree, but you know, it's a tree, you know, whatever. So I'm happy that I finally put up a tree. And yeah, we'll be back tomorrow with another video. Thank you for watching. And I hope that you stay tuned for tomorrow's mess. Cause baby, we're going all the way.